Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is BMW, and on today's video I'm gonna show you how to diagnose and repair your AC blower motor on the BMW E90. So this will be the same for all the E-series models that have the same part. I will put these models right here on the screen, and without further ado, buckle up and let's get started. Now, first of all, let's see how the problem will look like. So you will start your car, and then push the button for the blower fan, but there is nothing coming out, no sound, nothing. So this will be the symptom of a maybe broken or seized blower motor. So now let's go ahead and diagnose it. Let's go to the glove box. Here you will find two tabs on each corner that hide the fuse box. Here, as you can see, there is the diagram. So on this diagram we'll have the list of the fuse boxes, of the fuses, sorry, and we can go ahead and look for the blower motor fuse. So as you can see here, the blower motor fuse is the fuse number 88. Here on the diagram we'll look for the fuse number 88, which is this one, and what we need to do is go ahead and inspect it. You can do this by pulling the fuse itself and checking it, see if it's blown or not, or you can do it with a multimeter using the continuity option. So let's go and do both. Here, and according to the diagram, the fuse number 88 is this one. You see here, the 40 amp fuse. So what I will do, I will grab my multimeter, which is set on continuity function, as you can hear. Let's go ahead and try and test this. This was very difficult doing it with one hand, but as you can see, I have managed to do it with only one hand, and it's beeping. You can even take it out and check it if you are able to take it out, as you can see here. Now, as we can see, the fuse is good, it's not blown. Now what we need to do is go ahead and inspect the blower motor itself. So now to access the blower motor, which is located here behind the glove box. So first of all, we need to take off this panel that is held by two screws, this one and this one. And just like that, panel can be removed. disconnect it. So now that we have this panel removed, like this, let's see what we have in here. This is the blower motor. So because I have a big camera, I wasn't able to show it all in here. So basically, to remove the blower motor here, what we need to do is to first of all disconnect this harness, just like this. Okay, this one is the one that controls the blower motor itself, and this is the controller here. So this is assembled to the blower assembly itself, and to remove, as you can see here, need to pull this tab, and rotate the blower motor clockwise. Once you've done this, as you can see, now the blower motor is come down. What you will have to do is to wiggle it slowly until you can actually take it off this, like this. Just wiggle it slowly, and it will come. And now this is the blower motor that we just have taken out. Good. So what you will find is that it was stuck, basically because of the corrosion, as you can see here. So this is corroded, but you can free it once you turn the fan on, like this. Okay, so obviously you can see here, you'll find trace of some grease that I have put before. Now, to disassemble this bar, so basically, now if it was stuck, now that it is free, you can go ahead, plug it, and turn on the fan and see if it works. If it does, this means that there was, the shaft was stuck because it was corroded. Now, to not have this problem come very soon, what you would have to do is to make sure that you lube the shaft and put some DW 40 there, and you will be good to go. If not, then maybe you will have a broken resistor. So then you will need to find this piece and replace it. But let's continue our repair, and I'll show you how to do it. Now what we need to do is to unscrew these screws. So we have 1, 2, and 3, and unplug this and open this compartment like this. So as you can see here, look at the corrosion there. Okay, obviously I've already done this before, so I'll go ahead and unscrew these, and we'll see how it looks from the underside of the motor. Now, as you can see, the corroded shaft. Now it does move freely. So what you will need to make sure is to lube this from here and from here and there, right there. Okay. Make sure that the shaft goes a little bit up and down so that it slides, because I have noticed from doing this before, this was stuck vertically. So make sure that this actually moves a little bit up and down. If it doesn't, just tap it like this and like this, and it will get unstuck vertically. So once you've actually done this and the product actually went in there, now you're good to go. Reassemble everything. Now, before you actually go ahead and reassemble everything, test that this is actually working right, and you can do it like this. Make sure that the fan will not hit anything. Just plug it there and make your test. And now, as you can see, it's working. Well done. Now we'll go ahead and reassemble everything. Well, we'll switch back to my phone and let's get started. We have to line that tab there. First of all, let's clear this duct here like this. Try to wiggle this one back. Good. Now like this. Now that it is in its place, what we do is turn it counterclockwise for it to lock. And there you go. Nothing is in the way. Now we'll go ahead and put back the cover here, two screws with the 12 volt, and you're good to go. And just like this, you've saved yourself a pretty big bill. So if you have any questions, go ahead and put them on the comments and I will try and help you as much as I can. If you like the video, please go ahead and leave a thumbs up and subscribe for more videos like this, and talk to you soon.